Welcome to our showdown between two of the most popular motherboards for AMD Ryzen processors, the MSI MAG B650 Tomahawk Wi-Fi and the ASUS TUF Gaming B650-PLUS Wi-Fi. In this video, we will dive deep into their specifications, performance, and features to help you decide which one is the best fit for your gaming rig. Let's get started. When it comes to thermal performance, the MSI MAG B650 Tomahawk Wi-Fi boasts an impressive thermal design with its extended heatsink and M2 Shield Frozzer, ensuring efficient heat dissipation during intense gaming sessions. On the other hand, the ASUS TUF Gaming B650-PLUS Wi-Fi features a robust power delivery system with 14 power stages, which not only enhances stability but also contributes to effective thermal management. Both motherboards are designed to keep your system cool, but they approach it in different ways. In terms of networking, the MSI MAG 650 Tomahawk Wi-Fi is equipped with Wi-Fi 6E and a 2.5 gigabits per second LAN port, providing fast and reliable connectivity for online gaming and streaming. Meanwhile, the ASUS TUF Gaming B650-PLUS Wi-Fi offers Wi-Fi 6 and a 2.5 gigabits Ethernet connection, which, while slightly older, still delivers excellent performance. Both motherboards ensure that you stay connected, but the MSI model takes the lead with its more advanced Wi-Fi technology. When it comes to expansion slots, the MSI MAG 650 Tomahawk Wi-Fi supports PCIe 4.0M.2, allowing for fast storage options. In contrast, the ASUS TUF Gaming B650-PLUS Wi-Fi takes it a step further with PCIe 5.0M.2 support, which offers even greater bandwidth for next-gen SSDs. This difference in expansion capabilities could be a deciding factor for users looking to future-proof their builds. In conclusion, both the MSI MAG B650 Tomahawk Wi-Fi and the ASUS TUF Gaming B650-PLUS Wi-Fi motherboards offer excellent features for gamers and PC builders. The MSI model excels in thermal management and networking capabilities, while the ASUS board provides superior expansion options. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your specific needs and budget. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.